Every reliability engineer involved in field tube plugging of FinFan gas coolers knows a critical fact. When a tube plug fails to seal, the root cause is usually not the plug itself. In approximately 95% of cases, the problem is improper preparation of the tube internal diameter surface. The operation takes place deep inside the header box. Visibility is poor, access is highly limited, and verifying the surface quality is extremely difficult, especially when the tubes are heavily corroded. Wire brushes alone are not an ideal solution, even when hard and densely packed configurations are used. They simply do not provide the controlled, repeatable surface finish that directly impacts the reliability of the plugging process. That is why KRAIS developed the next generation of application-specific tooling. Our goal is to make field service work easier, improve the effectiveness of tube surface preparation, and increase the final reliability of the operation. The MiniMill-301-FF-SPS is a well-known machine in the heat exchanger service industry. It is now available in a dedicated version designed specifically for tube preparation prior to plugging in FinFan gas coolers. The machine is highly efficient, easy to operate, and does not require highly skilled or specially trained operators. It is simply mounted inside the tube and centered perfectly in the plug installation hole. Using a specially designed reamer, fully engineered and manufactured by KRAIS, the operator easily removes the damaged or corroded tube surface to a controlled and predefined diameter. This mechanical solution eliminates manual variables, delivering a pristine, round surface finish every single time. Furthermore, restoring the tube ends to a precise, uniform geometry allows one standard tube plug size to be used across the standard range of tube sizes commonly found in FinFan coolers. This optimization significantly reduces inventory costs and simplifies on-site logistics during critical maintenance outages. For this specific application, KRAIS has also designed a dedicated tube plug and installation tool. Known as the T_Apple FFP series, these high-pressure mechanical plugs provide a secure seal without distorting the tube sheet hole. The system does not require complex procedures or hydraulic pumps. The operator inserts the plug into the prepared tube until its shoulder contacts the tube end face. During torque-controlled expansion using a standard manual torque wrench, the specialized push-in spanner keeps the plug firmly pressed against the tube face. The plug mechanically expands inside the tube, creating an engineered mechanical seal resilient to high thermal cycling and severe vibration. As a result, the plugging process becomes repeatable, safer, and far less dependent on individual operator skill. When future tube inspection or full retubing is required, the KRAIS system guarantees fast and safe tool removal. The operator connects a dedicated slide hammer directly to the threaded internal part of the expanded plug. Through straight axial impacts, the slide hammer easily extracts the plug without causing any damage to the valuable tube sheet hole. The surface remains clean and ready for immediate service. From preparation to extraction, KRAIS ensures total process repeatability.